Hi everyone, I'm here to do an unboxing video. So I just got this item shipped today. So this I ordered from an essay in Texas, in the Neiman Marcus in La Centera. This is how it looks. Alright, take the flower. Oh wow. Okay, here it is. Comes with the cleanings, the care booklet. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's ripped. No way. Oops. You guys, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so it still has the sticker on it. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. You trying to get mommy's bag? Has the felt. Let me find the authenticity card. This is 21 series. Alright you guys, this is the 2016 Cruise Collection in the carry-all. It's called the carry-all. Yeah. In the iridescent purple rainbow hardware. That's the code if you guys are interested. So this is the chain. So let me open it. It's the bag. And this is the waist chain. So cute. So if you guys are interested for the measurements, I'll link that in the description down below. So I'm just gonna inspect it now and then I'm gonna add some mod shots. But it's so beautiful. The stickers are still on it. So cute. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Bye.